Welcome to our kitchen lighting makeover tutorial. Today, we're going to transform this ordinary kitchen island into a stunning focal point using a variety of lighting components. Let's get started. First up, pendant lights. These are a fantastic choice for adding a touch of elegance and functionality. We'll install 3 pendant lights evenly spaced above the island to provide ample task lighting while creating visual interest. Next, let's add some drama with a chandelier. This luxurious lighting fixture will hang above the center of the island, adding sophistication and charm to the space. Now, let's incorporate some track lighting. We'll install a track along the ceiling above the island, allowing us to adjust the direction of the lights to highlight different areas of the kitchen as needed. For a clean and modern look, recessed lighting is the way to go. We'll place recessed lights strategically around the perimeter of the island to provide ambient lighting without cluttering the space. To add a pop of color and ambience, let's install LED strips underneath the cabinets surrounding the island. These will not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also provide functional lighting for food preparation. Now, let's add some decorative elements. We'll install a beautiful ceiling medallion above the chandelier to frame the fixture and add a touch of architectural detail to the space. For a seamless look, we'll finish off with flush mount lights. These sleek fixtures will blend seamlessly into the ceiling, providing additional ambient lighting without overpowering the space. Finally, let's add some finishing touches with sconces placed strategically on the walls surrounding the island. These will not only enhance the overall lighting scheme but also add a layer of warmth and coziness to the space. And there you have it. With the perfect combination of pendant lights, chandeliers, track lighting, recessed lighting, LED strips, ceiling medallions, flush mount lights, sconces, and other decorative elements, we've transformed this kitchen island into a true showpiece. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you feel inspired to try these lighting techniques in your own kitchen. Until next time, happy decorating. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. To learn more, visit rofhome.com.